Hi there. Hector has a new canvas and some new colored pencils to draw a new drawing with.
But what do I...
Hi there,
Says Stinky the garbage truck.
Hi, Stink. Oh, hi, Stinky. Can I draw a picture of you?
Says Hector.
you betcha.
Says Stinky. And Hector sets to work. First, he draws the cab, and the window, and the light that goes right up top. Hector is concentrating to get every detail right. Next, Hector draws the big container at the back where all the stinky garbage goes.
What does this need?
Thinks Hector. Oh yeah, 4 big reinforcing panels to make Stinky strong. Next, Hector draws the wheels. Gotta have the wheels. And now it's time to color in the drawing of Stinky,
I've got some great colors here.
thinks Hector.
I think I'll start with the yellow.
And then Hector switches to green for the cab and the bottom bit,
Gotta stay in the lines.
thinks Hector. And there you go. And what? Oh, the drawing popped right off the canvas,
I made a friend for Stinky.
thinks Hector.
Thanks a lot.
Says Stinky and his new friend.
Hey, think nothing of it. Have a nice day. Bye.